Hey everyone, today we're going to be replacing the rear weather stripping on a 2007 Toyota 4Runner. Here's the part number. I'll put that in the description so you'll know what to order along with the link. First thing we need to do is roll the window down. That gives you access to the weather stripping, and you basically just need your two hands. You pull it out and it clips in on both of the ends. So you just pop those two ends out. As you can see, mine was pretty worn. Here's the difference between the old one and the new one. Just making sure that it's the same length and it fits. So it's pretty simple. You just pop it back in the way the old one came out. The only thing you have to watch out for is the plastic that's holding the rear wiper down. As you can see, there's a piece of rubber that divides it between the weather stripping. So you just want to make sure that that's not smashed down. One other thing I wanted to show, in case if you didn't know, you can roll the back window up with the key. There's an option on the fob to roll it down, but if you want to roll it back up, you can do that with the key, just for anyone that didn't know that. But that's it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment below.